Merbok is one of Asia's leading manufacturers of MDF. MDF is short for medium density fiberboard, which is a reconstituted, three-dimensionally homogeneous wood panel product. MDF's main applications are used in the manufacturing of high-quality furniture and now being increasingly in various building applications too. Merbok's operations are located in Sri Lanka, the center of the rapidly developing South Asian region. The Merbok Group solely utilizes plantation timbers and sawmill waste, which underscores the environmental friendly aspects of all its manufactured products. Merbok has successfully started its own nurseries and plantations of both albizia and rubberwood, and has also implemented a highly successful smallholder replanting scheme. Merbok's modern MDF plant in Horana has an output capacity of 180,000 cubic meters per annum and manufactures a range of MDF products from 2.3 mm to 30 mm, as well as value-added MDF products. Its state-of-the-art microprocessor-controlled automatic production machineries form the foundation of manufacturing its quality products at Merbok. The key input raw material for MDF is small diameter waste woods and sawmill waste, which would traditionally be utilized only as full wood boilers. Merbok thus produces high-quality, added-value wood products from merely waste material. These waste woods are first cut into wood chips before being thermomechanically pulped into wood fibers. This pulping is carried out in the refiner section of the plant. These wood fibers are then mixed with specially formulated glues that are finished blended in-house. Thereafter, the fibers are dried to the required moisture content before entering the heart of the production process. Merbok has two press lines. The first, a Washington Ironworks multi-daylight press that processes the thick boards, and the second, a burst-off Mendy line that processes the thin boards. In the forming line and press line of the thick board line, the now resinated and dried fibers are being snowed onto a continuous moving conveyor belt. This continuous pressed carpet of fibers are thereafter cut into separate mattresses and loaded into a loading carriage. This carriage then enters the press and deposits the mattresses inside the hot press, where the fibers are tightly compressed and bonded with the aid of the glues by heat to form the solid MDF panels. All of this process is microprocessor controlled to ensure a constant and desirable quality level of the Merbok products. These solid boards then exits the press line, where multiple quality checks are being conducted on the MDF boards produced. Thereafter, the panels are being cooled down in the star cooler to ambient temperature. The boards are then stacked into master stacks to ensure efficient product handling throughout the plant. Merbok has also implemented a computerized manufacturing and distribution control system to match its organization with its manufacturing capabilities. These master stacks are transported to the intermediate storage areas. After the appropriate curing time, the stacks are introduced into the continuous sanding or finishing line. At the sanding line process, the quality of the produced boards are checked once again against a set of internationally accepted quality standards. In the finishing and sanding line, the MDF boards are calibrated to the required thickness tolerances within points of a millimeter accuracy. At this stage of the process, the boards are graded into various quality grades to complete the selection of specific grades for specific customer requirements. The next stage of production is the cut-to-size saw. Here, the larger master boards are being sawn into the desired smaller, finished panel dimensions as ordered by Merbok's customers. In the thin board line, the now resinated and dried fibers are snowed onto a continuous moving conveyor belt. This continuous press carpet of fibers are thereafter introduced into a Mendy calendar hot press, where the fibers are tightly compressed and the glues cured by heat to form the solid thin MDF panels. All of this process is also microprocessor controlled to ensure a constant process of quality control. The continuous output, like a carpet of wood, exits the press line, is cut to length and trimmed. And then calibrated and graded according to exacting standards, where multiple of quality checks are conducted on the MDF boards. The calibrated thin MDF boards are then cut and stacked according to quality grades. Merbok also produces its widely acclaimed range of global art pre-laminated MDF boards in a wide range of colors. The MDF boards are brought together with high-quality melamine impregnated papers and introduced into a hot press, where the papers are bonded to the boards under high temperature and pressure. These boards are then trimmed and inspected to exacting standards and then stacked. Merbok carefully packs each individual pallet of thick and thin MDF in order to achieve maximum customer satisfaction. When the finished Merbok MDF reaches the final destination. Besides the control production process, the quality control process of Merbok also utilizes up-to-date available modern technologies. Merbok strives to give its customer base the quality MDF products they require and deserve, and continue to focus on achieving timely deliveries. Merbok has over the last 10 years built up a wide network of importers, distributors and customers with whom it conducts business in long-term, mutually beneficial relationships. Merbok currently exports some 90% of its manufactured products to its main destinations of India, Pakistan and the Middle East, using the excellent port facilities in Colombo, Sri Lanka. At Merbok, we strive for excellence in all aspects of our business to provide our customers with high-quality products, great service and innovative solutions. Thank you for your time, which allowed us to show you some aspects of our company. We would like to stay in touch with you.